Alright, today we're going to show you how to fix a pothole with bitumen cold mix. Now what Phil's doing here is he's quickly just cleaning out all the loose debris in your pothole, and as soon as you've done that, you pour in your bitumen cold mix into your hole. Now this is a very relatively shallow pothole, so what we're going to do is pour it in and give ourselves a little bit of a crown. So Phil's going to massage the product around in the pothole, and just use the backside of a rake or a shovel and just move the massage it around into the hole. It's important that we try and give yourself a lip around the side of your pothole so that the mix doesn't feather out into nothing. And the most important part of fixing potholes is compacting it. Now just with a smaller pothole, we've got a couple of options. We can either run over it in the vehicle with a car, like we're going to do now, just show you that you can compact it that way, or you can tamper it down with a tamper and compact. Once it's compact, it is ready to be trafficked. As easy as that.